Alrighty guys, that was intense, Whew. Catch your breath. Alrighty, comment, like, favorite, subscribe, whatever you want to do. I know I substituted the same song as Robert, but
You suck.
I got it. Got it in the bag. You can vote for Robert right here, or possibly right here.
Vote for me.
Wherever you want.
Comment.
So, you know. Thank you.